Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Artanimous and today I'll be showing you all how to make rose gold color. It's one of my favorite and I'd love to show you all how to make it. So the acrylic colors that I'm using today are from Fevicryl acrylic pearl set, and you get this in a set of 4 and it's really easy. So we make use of a tiny bit of pearl metallic rust. We add to it the metallic gold color, and then you take a bit of white color, white acrylic paints to give it a light shade that we get, and then you start mixing the rust and the gold color. Of the red, normal red acrylic would do, just a tiny bit, and then you mix the white with it, and you keep mixing unless you get the proper color, and you'll know it once you have it. I really love this color, that it's coming so light, but I think it should have a bit of gold as well, so I am mixing a bit of gold and a teensy bit more. As you can see, I'm getting a bit of creamish, but it needs a bit of pink as well, so I'll mix a bit of more rust in it to get the perfect rose gold, and a bit of more gold, and we are almost there because you can see that the color is coming out to be perfectly fine, and you can see how beautiful it's looking. So yeah, that is it for the rose gold color. I hope you like this video. If you did, then please remember to press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please press the subscribe button. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed